Hi YouTube. So this is a video I may or may not need to make, but since I did one video on photography, I figure I may as well do a set. And so I have the film camera again, and I'm going to load film into it. So it has a little, on the film carton on the side, you know how there's the little tabs, you can just rip one of those off and then put it in here so you know what film is in it. And then you want to set the film speed on your camera to whatever film speed you're putting in. Mine is 400. There's a little red mark there next to 400 because I've set it like that. And then, here, I'm going to position this so that I can actually work with the camera. Sorry. And so then you want to lift this up. Sometimes, like on mine, there's a little tab you have to pull. And then you lift up the windy thingy. I'm not sure what the technical name for it is. Then open the back. And that's the inside of the back of the camera. And then, here, I'll zoom in a little so you can see it. And then get out a canister of film. Open it. Take the roll out. Then, so let me put the cap back on that. Then you want to lift this up and put this knobby end in the bottom and the flat end in the top, like so. And then pull the film out, stick it in here, move it around if you have to, and make sure it advances. Then close the camera, push the advancer down, and then, here, I'll zoom out. And then you want to take a few shots and make sure you can feel the film advancing, and just so that you get to the part of it that has not been exposed yet. And ta-da! Now you have a loaded roll of film, and it is set on, and I'm on my first exposure. And the roll, they account for there being a couple frames. This is a 25 exposure roll, so I can take 25 pictures. Yeah, that's how you load film into a camera. It's pretty easy. And so yeah, bye.